going to be showing y'all how to make an entire Roblox game using AI. So in my previous video, I showed y'all how to make AI thumbnails and game icons, but now I'm going to be showing y'all something that will actually create the entire game for you. So this website is called studs.gg, and it will actually make our Roblox game for us. So you just type in a prompt, and we'll just select this one right here for an example, but we can type in our own game idea, and it will generate it for us. And previously you could do this with ChatGPT, but the thing is ChatGPT won't plug it into Roblox for you. ChatGPT will just give you the scripts and then it will tell you where to put them. But this right here will actually put these scripts inside the Roblox game, and then it'll send you the file for the Roblox game. And there we go, it just finished our game, so we can publish it directly to Roblox, or if we want to, we can download it instead. But now let's crack open this game and let's check it out. So this is the game it created for us, which it makes this a simple model. Of course we will probably want to replace them, but most importantly, it creates everything for us. So if you look over here, it has everything we need in replicated storage, it makes all these scripts in service script service, and it makes absolutely everything we need, and we can click play, and it will spawn us on a team, and now we can actually score goals. So we can kick the ball over here, and then once it makes it inside the goal, we'll get a point, which we can make much more complicated games. This is just the very surface of it. For an example, this is the prompt that I put in the other day, and it's basically just making a game where the player's belly grows once every second, and they can click a button at the bottom of their screen to fart, giving them a speed boost for 30 seconds. The bigger the player's belly, the bigger the fart / speed boost, and then whenever they fart, their belly resets back to regular size, and they can run through walls for wins, and they can blastify the shop. And this is the game it created for me right here. Just a simple layout, we can always modify it later, but most importantly, it makes these scripts and everything. So as we can see, we are gaining +1 belly size every second, and our character is growing. And we can click this button right here to fart, and then we'll gain a slight speed boost, which the speed boost isn't too much, because the bigger our belly size, the bigger the speed boost. But anyway, we can run through these walls over here for wins, and then it displays our wins up here at the top right, and then there's a shop over here, so we can hold down E to open up the shop, we can upgrade it, and now we're gaining +2 belly size every second, and the price for the upgrade increased to 100 wins. And of course we can fart again to reset back to regular size, and then we gain a speed boost. And this is that same game, I just made some simple models. I'm not finished with it just yet, this is just a base layout, but anyway, we can just take all these scripts and we can make them into an actual game, such as our belly's growing right here, and then whenever we gain enough size, we just click to fart, and then we can run through all of these, which of course we only had like 8 belly size, so the speed boost isn't too much. But anyway, we can just keep farting over and over, and then we can just keep running through these to get more and more wins, and then we can go back to spawn, talk to this guy right here, and we can spend our wins to upgrade our belly size, which if we wanted to, we could tell the AI to add more upgrades. So instead of just upgrading the rate, it could upgrade like our belly size capacity and all that other stuff. And also the best part about this AI is that it's free, so it's completely free to use. They haven't added any subscription services just yet, so you get 25 credits, and every game you make uses a credit. But the most important part is that your credits reset every day, so that means every day you can create up to 25 games, which is actually pretty nice. Also, if you type in a prompt and the game isn't working, you can just copy it and paste the prompt in again, and then it probably will. Because sometimes I toss in the prompt and for some reason the game just doesn't work, so I just copy it and paste it again, and then the game works pretty much perfectly. So if you combine this game and making AI along with the AI that creates the game thumbnail and icon for you, you can create entire Roblox games in just a few minutes. But anyway, that's pretty much everything that you need to know about the game making AI. The link to it will be in the description, and I highly recommend checking it out. But anyway, that is going to be all for this video though. If this video helped you out, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.